Just in from secret sources, Rigathi Gachagua to be arrested. This is due to his remarks on Obina TV live show, which was held a few days ago, when he said that, according to him, William Ruto will not win the 2027 election. This is because of the mood of the Kenyans, for him raising the high standards of living and making Kenyans suffer. He also went ahead and said that the new IEBC chairperson has a very close relationship with Joseph Nanok from Turkana. This might cause the rigging of elections in 2027. And also he added that William Ruto will not win the 2027 election, not unless he rigs the election. And this might cause Kenyans to go back to the tragic that happens in 2007 to 2008.
William Ruto said that he'll win in 2027.
Yes.
Listening to the ground, the only way he can win is if he is able to change the constitution through a referendum and remove the voting power from the people of Kenya to advisors. And since he has so many advisors, he would win in the morning. That's the only way he can win.
Okay.
And he knows. He knows.
IEBC has been reconstituted. Joseph Nanok, the Deputy Chief of Staff, is reportedly close to the IEBC chair. Is this going to compromise the 2027 election?
He is not close to the IEBC chair.
Yeah.
He was his employee. He was an attorney at the county of Turkana, where Nanok was governor. So ni mtu yake. Na ndio amemletea William Ruto akuwe chairman. So basically, IEBC will be run from State House. But nothing much will change. I want to tell you. It doesn't matter. Okay. Even if William Ruto appointed Farouk Kibet as chairman of IEBC. Yeah? Or Oscar Sudi as chairman of IEBC, he'll still lose. The vote against William Ruto, the margin will be so huge, I can tell you, nobody can do anything about it. The only folly is if the commissioners refuse to organize an election. If they fail to fill the ballot boxes, the ballot papers, and to ensure there is order. But as long as they make sure the polling stations are open on time, there are ballot papers, and the counting is done at the polling station, the rest is a mathematical exercise of adding, tallying.
So you believe the IEBC is going to conduct a fair election?
I'm not sure what they'll do, but I'm saying the mood in the country.
Yeah. If
that IEBC tries to mess with the election,
okay,
there will be no country here. 2007 will look like a Christmas party. I can tell you. And I want to implore those commissioners to be Kenyans, to be patriotic, and not to attempt to force William Ruto on the people of Kenya. It will not work. The people of Kenya will not accept it. People want change, and they are ready for change. Indeed, they are impatient. The 2 years is too far away.
According to William Ruto and his allies, says that Rigathi's remarks incites Kenyans to go back to what happened in 2007 to 2008. I find this unfair due to the Oscar Sudi's remarks, which he made earlier, that even if William Ruto will fail the 2027 election, they will still rig the election.
Kenya hakuna rais ameenda kwa miaka 5. Kwani huyu ndiye atakuwa wa kwanza? Kama tunafanya nini? Kama tumelala wapi? Kama nini imefanyika? Kwani Kenya ni yenu? Kama hiyo mumwelewea rabu. Abo ndumba nyigura ile kinyiti. So maybe you don't know again here. Ruto mazuo eh. Mas mama yogi mani ole ningirianye gorgele. William Ruto must stay.
Raila Odinga na William Ruto wanafanya kazi saa hii kwa ukaribu. Tunapoongea tulipea Raila ministries 3. Juzi tumepea 5 chairmen Pwele Senate. Kesho kutwa tutapea kwa National Assembly committee chairs. Mimi nataka niulize na wakaaji wa kaunti ya Nandi, mtakubali Rais William Ruto na Raila Odinga wafanye kazi pamoja? Si wafanye kazi ndio Kenya iende mbele. Ndio 2027 William Ruto win na over 90% ya kura. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie hakuna rais amewahi enda taa moja Kenya. Hatutakubali kufunga virako Nairobi kuja reserve. Hapana. Ama mulitutuma sisi tuende Nairobi turudi nyumbani. Si tu lazima tuamalize 10 years. Maiona rais anaenda one term. Hata wakati Kibaki alipata shida si alifanya ukarabati mpaka akarudi kwa kiti. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie ukienda Coast, uende Northeastern, uende mpaka hapa Western, Luo, Nyanza na hapa Rift Valley, hii yote asubuhi na mapema before hata 90 minutes ishe, William Ruto atakuwa amekuwa re-elected with over 90% of votes cast in the Republic of Kenya. Ukiona hawa kama akina Karua, akina Kalonzo, hawa ni watu wanaweza shindana na William Ruto. Hata ukiketi tu nyumbani upime tu wanaweza shinda William Ruto. Kwanza hawatakubaliana candidate, hawatakubaliana chama, hawatakubaliana sera. Sisi mpango yetu itatusaidia ni Rais William Ruto amalize hii kazi 2 years. Ile kazi William atafanya 2 years, William Ruto ndio itasaidia kupata ile inayokuja.
And now that only Rigathi Gachagua has said that if the IEBC will not be very careful with handling of election and causing William Ruto to win according to people on the ground. Not that he was inciting, but he said according to the mood of the people, of the Kenyans, that might spike reactions among Kenyans to see that William Ruto wins election, and people on the ground, they have already voted him out of office, even if 2027 has not yet neared. So my question is, when the likes of Oscar Sudis and the other allies of William Ruto say those remarks live on camera TVs, live on national TVs, that they will rig 2027's elections, why were they not questionable? Now that only Rigathi Gachagua went out and say that if he will still, or if he will win according to the people of Kenya, they might be a spike like what happened in 2007 to 2008. Now, that remarks has made Ruto and his allies, Kindiki and others, to go and form a secret meeting to arrest Rigathi Gachagua and question him about the remarks he made on Obina TV show live. So I just want to hear your remarks. What do you have to say about this issue now that we are waiting to see what will happen